Golf, a game of precision and patience, is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Across the globe, there are golfing destinations so spectacular that they add an unforgettable dimension to the game itself. Today, we're exploring some of the world's top golfing paradises that every enthusiast should have on their bucket list. First on the list is the historic St. Andrews Links in Scotland, often referred to as the home of golf. Dating back to the 15th century, this iconic venue is a pilgrimage site for golfers. Its famous old course has witnessed the evolution of golf over centuries, providing a rich tapestry of history and tradition interwoven into its challenging fairways, treacherous bunkers, and unpredictable coastal winds. Playing here isn't just about the sport. It's about walking in the footsteps of golfing legends. Transcending from the old to the new, we arrive in the sun-kissed landscapes of Pebble Beach, California. Overlooking the majestic Pacific Ocean, Pebble Beach. Golf Links offers a breathtaking experience on every hole. With dramatic cliffs, sprawling greens, and the sound of crashing waves, this course is consistently ranked among the top in the United States. It's a favorite venue for major tournaments, and its stunning beauty attracts not only top players, but also celebrities and dignitaries worldwide. Next, we head to the pristine greens of Mission Hills in China, the largest golf complex in the world. Spanning across scenic vistas, this golfing wonderland boasts 12 diverse courses, each designed by legendary golfers like Jack Nicklaus and Greg Norman. Beyond offering a diverse range of playing experiences, the resort is a testament to the rapidly growing popularity of golf in Asia, combining challenging terrain with luxurious hospitality. Venturing down under, we find the awe-inspiring Cape Kidnappers in New Zealand. Perched on towering cliffs that drop dramatically into the sea, this course offers some of the most spectacular views imaginable. Designed by Tom Doak, it offers a rugged yet refined golfing experience, blending seamlessly with the natural beauty of its surroundings. Each hole presents a unique challenge while providing panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean that are sure to leave a lasting impression. Lastly, let's journey to the African continent where we discover the Gary Player Country Club in South Africa. Nestled within the Sun City Resort, this course has hosted numerous prestigious tournaments, showcasing its challenging design tailored by the legendary Gary Player himself. Set against the backdrop of the Pilanesberg Mountains, the course is a seamless blend of nature and design, offering unique wildlife encounters along with world-class golfing. From the historic greens of St. Andrews to the cliffside wonders of Cape Kidnappers, these golfing destinations offer more than just a game. They offer a unique interaction with the landscapes and cultures that surround them. Each course tells a story, not just of golf, but of the environment and the people who cherish it. So whether you're an avid golfer or merely a lover of breathtaking landscapes, exploring these destinations is sure to provide unforgettable experiences and cherished memories. As we close this journey, remember, in the world of golf, the destinations are as enriching as the game itself.